Welcome to the project demonstration of solar e-bicycle. So here the main application of this project is it has two ways to drive this bicycle. One is mechanical energy to the kinetic energy, that is for the motion of this bicycle from this pedal power. So using mechanical force we can drive this vehicle as a bicycle. And also the second way of power is we are going to drive this vehicle with the help of this hub motor, which we have attached that for this front wheel. So we have removed the previous wheel and we have attached the hub motor. So this hub motor, the ratings of this hub motor is directly 48 volts and 350 watts of power we are getting from this hub motor. And to drive the hub motor we need a controller box. So this is a controller box. So we have attached from the controller box to the hub motor with 8 wires. In that 3 are the phase wires, remaining 5 are the 3 Hall effect sensor wires for each phase, and remaining 2 are the plus minus power supply for the Hall effect section. And the system is getting power supply from this battery pack. We are using 48 volts 7 battery pack, which is rechargeable in 2 ways. One is electrical recharging from the charger and another is from this solar panel. We are using this solar panel for charging of this battery directly. We have attached that to this charging circuit. So on this charging circuit we can see the light indication. As of now low lighting is available from the sunlight solar panel, that's why we are getting the low intensity of this LED indication on this charging circuit. And we have attached that totally to this one, and this one is the MCB. So from this MCB we are going to enable and disable the power supply to this controller, and this one is the main key circuit. So this is a key. So this is one key, on and off, on and off. So initially we need to on the MCB, then we need to on the key. So here we are using the 2 brakes. One is for the mechanical braking and there is for the electronic braking. So this will isolate the power supply to the controller while we are driving. Means we need to apply the 2 brakes at a time if we are moving the vehicle with the help of battery powered using this hub motor section. And also we are using the 2 headlights for night vision purpose from the power supply of the same battery pack here. So let us see the demonstration. So this one is first on the MCB, then on the key. Just let us see the hub motor. So it's moving hub motor. So let us see real-time demonstration directly. Pause it. Let us see on the MCB first and on the key. Right. And the headlights. Coming to the headlight switch. So here we place the headlight switch at the key slot. So it's a key headlight switch. And next on power supply for the headlighting purpose. Thank you.